Oh, wowee, another hard one.
I can help you.
Oh, okay, thank you. Where'd he go?
Hello, everybody. This is Unit 3, and it's called At the Store. And today we are doing page 21, which is the Let's Talk part for this unit. So here we have Scott and Kate's friend Sarah. And Kate is just introducing Sarah to Scott for the first time. They're becoming friends. So we're going to trace the words and then write in these missing words. And before we do that, we can watch the video for this unit.
Oh, hi, Scott. How are you?
I'm great.
This is my friend, Sarah. Hi, Scott.
Hello, Sarah. This is my new friend, Sarah.
This is a great game.
Yes, it is.
Let's play.
Okay, let's trace and write. First, Kate says, "Hi, Scott." Hi, Scott. And then she says, is my Sarah. Which is the first mean? Hello is my, this is my, play is my, or friend is my. Well, this has a big T and hello has a big T. So what do you think? One of these. Should it be hello is my with a big H or this is my with a big T? This. Let's write this. T, big T, H, I, S. This is my. This is my hello. This is my play, Sarah. This is my friend, Sarah. Okay, we're going to use friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. This is my friend, Sarah. R-A-H. Friend's done. And then Scott answers, Sarah. Should he say, hello, Sarah? Or play, Sarah? Hello. Big H is at the start of a sentence. E-L-L-O. Hello, Sarah. S-A-R-A-H. And Sarah says, hi, Scott. Let's play. There we go. Hi, Scott. Let's play. P-L-A-Y. And part A is done. This is part B, and it just says read and number. So we're gonna read these and then put them in the right order. Hi, Andy, let's play. Hello, Sarah. Hi, Andy, this is my friend, Sarah. That's first. Then Andy says, hello, Sarah. And Sarah says, hi, Andy, let's play. 3, 2, 1. Great job. All done for today.